As an insurance agent, you have to have clients in order to run a business. But where do you begin acquiring clients? Gone are the days of the traveling salesman. So how do you get your product in front of anyone and everyone? One way is online advertising. It's a game changer in the modern world and is extremely useful. Many large companies advertise their services online. So how do you stand out above the crowd? The answer? SEO. Let's take a look at SEO. SEO, or search engine optimization, allows users to discover applicable sites and advertisements based on their queries. For example, if a user searches affordable health insurance, the first results are usually the ones the user contacts. Studies suggest that most users don't click a link beyond the first page. That's prime territory for any business to gain customers. But getting on the first page isn't so easy. That's where optimizing your business profile comes in. So how do you get to the top of the proverbial mountain and claim a seat with the big boys? One of the ways to assist your ascent is to claim your Google business profile. Visit business.google.com/ad and enter your business name and address to begin the setup process. Once verified, you can add a description of your services. Remember to periodically add relevant photos of your business. Doing this shows your agency is active and encourages Google to keep you at the top of the search results. Consider opening your mind and your wallet to target local keywords. Keywords are a word or phrase that people use to search on Google. Certain keywords increase your visibility in search results for your business. For example, you can target affordable health insurance plans or affordable health insurance near me. Be sure to do some research on what you plan to target. If you plan to sell insurance and you aren't licensed to sell property and casualty, the keyword insurance may give you leads you can't even work. To avoid this, try to target something like health insurance plans or life policies for me. You need to tailor your keywords to something that makes sense for your business. Going completely in depth on SEO is a whole course in itself, so we'll just leave you with a few more nuggets. Using analytic tools such as Google Analytics is vital to measuring and modifying your SEO endeavors. It analyzes how visitors found your site and their activity. It comes at no cost for businesses and is a super useful tool. Another useful tool is the Google Search Console. The Search Console offers reports and tools to further assist your monitoring. Final tip. Customer reviews are a huge benefit to remaining on the first page of search results. If you know your clients had a good experience with you, ask them to leave you a review. Like these tips? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to get the most out of our insurance education videos. Partner with us at Empower Brokerage and you'll discover more ways to utilize SEO. Thanks, everyone.